This happens every day, but nobody notices. Film innovation constantly reshapes how we see stories. Today, we dissect one revolutionary cinematic storytelling technique. The Matrix, released in 1999, redefined action cinema. Its visual effects truly pushed boundaries of storytelling. We're exploring bullet time, a truly groundbreaking innovation. This effect dramatically altered perception of time and space. It became an instant icon, imitated across countless films. Before The Matrix, action sequences followed distinct rules. Traditional slow motion existed, but felt different on-screen. The Wachowskis desired a dynamic, subjective experience for Neo. They wanted to show Neo's heightened perception abilities. Bullet time allowed the camera to orbit frozen action. This created an impossible, breathtaking visual spectacle. It visually represented a character's extraordinary powers. The effect made Neo's dodging bullets incredibly impactful. This was more than just a trick. It was storytelling. John Gita led the visual effects team at Mainex. Their method combined photography with computer graphics. Dozens of still cameras captured the action simultaneously. These cameras were positioned along a precise trajectory. Each camera fired sequentially, capturing a single frame. Software interpolated missing frames for smooth movement. The background was often digitally recreated and enhanced. This complex process merged photography with digital artistry. It required meticulous planning and significant computing power. Bullet time transcended mere visual spectacle on screen. It fundamentally changed how filmmakers depicted action. Viewers experienced impossible viewpoints, defying physics. The technique conveyed urgency, power, and character insight. It made supernatural abilities feel tangible and real. Directors could now manipulate time with unprecedented freedom. This opened new avenues for narrative expression in film. The audience became active participants in Neo's world. It proved innovation could elevate cinematic language itself. Its influence quickly spread through Hollywood and beyond. Many films, commercials, and video games adopted the style. Shrek, Charlie's Angels, even Scary Movie parodied it. While overused, its core principle remains valuable today. Bullet time pushed boundaries for future digital filmmaking. Bullet time wasn't just a fleeting special effect. It was a pivotal moment for film innovation. This technique demonstrated storytelling through technology. It was a pivotal moment for film innovation, continues shaping how we watch movies. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.